Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Mel here. Thanks for checking in. In today's video, I'm going to show you lazy girl hair day. Lazy girl me, that's me, making my hair look presentable and cute when I don't have time to wash it and I just need to throw it up. I use my FoxyLocks Clip In Hair Extensions to make my ponytail longer and more glamorous so I feel more put together. It's super quick, super easy, takes me about 5 minutes. I'm telling you, it's a game changer, a lifesaver, a game changer if you're a lazy girl like me. I'm not always lazy, just sometimes with my hair. Because, you know, hair takes a lot of work, and makeup. Sometimes you gotta pick makeup, hair, makeup, hair. Obviously, I always pick makeup over hair. But, yeah, so in this video, I'm just gonna show you how I clip in my hair extensions for a high ponytail, because you do have to do it a little differently than when you clip them in for just your hair laying down on your head. So if you want to see how I do my high ponytail with my clip-in hair extensions, then just keep watching. So the hair extensions I use, I have two pairs. I have another video showing how I wear my Sun-Kissed Highlights by FoxyLocks in my hair down. And then I have a pair of FoxyLocks. This is the Mocha Toffee. I believe it's Mocha Toffee. The ombre ones in the same length in 18 inches and 125 grams, just like the Sun-Kissed Highlights. The reason why I like to wear these when I wear my hair in a ponytail, because the root of the hair extension is darker to match my hair, base of my hair when it's pulled up. And I don't use all of the wefts. I only use 3 if I want a bigger ponytail, I'll wear 4. If I want like a thinner ponytail for the day, I'll wear 2. But these aren't trimmed at all. These I curled once when I first got them and they still have the wave in it, and I keep that way when I put it in my ponytail just because it looks a little more natural and helps blend with my actual hair. And the reason why I like wearing clip-ins ponytail is because when my hair is like a day or two dirty and I don't have time to wash it or style it, I will just throw my hair up in a really cute long ponytail. And these help give volume and just make it look so much cuter, a little more put together. If you want to know more about the FoxyLocks hair extension itself, definitely check out my other video on the Sun-Kissed Highlight FoxyLocks. So first thing I do is when my hair is a day or two dirty is I put dry shampoo in it, and then I pull my hair up like this in a messy bun, and I let that dry shampoo sit while I do my makeup. That way it has time to soak up all those natural oils and get as much oil out as it can, because my hair, the dark shows oil more than the blonde just because it is darker, and my hair gets pretty oily and stuck to my head a day or two after being washed. So yeah, I just let the dry shampoo soak in there for a little. So I did my makeup and now my hair is pretty soaked up. Now it's okay if you still have some oil in it, because that helps keep the baby hairs back, and when you have a ponytail it makes it a little more slick, which I like. So this is, when did I wash my hair? Wednesday. So this is with dry shampoo. This is Friday. So as you can see, my hair is pretty short. Been growing it for a while now, and it's getting there. It's finally getting there. Now, putting in hair extensions for a ponytail is a lot different than just putting them in with your hair down, because you're going to be pulling your hair up here, so the clips need to lay different on your scalp. That way they're not poking out. Since I have a fairly small head and thin hair, I only use 3 wefts. So the ones I'm going to use are the 2 and the 3s. Now obviously if you have more hair or thicker hair, you can use more wefts. You just keep, you'll use more wefts. So I'm just going to go through it and show you how I do it for my hair and how it works for me. These are pretty comfortable on my head when I have them in a ponytail, and the less wefts you use, the more comfortable it's going to be on your head. So the first weft I'm going to take is the 2-clip weft. Okay. I'm just going to brush it out. Just like that. So here you can see the color. I just got my hair more blonde and more ombre, so these are gonna match a lot better now that my hair's more blonde. So, but first thing you want to do is like take a clip, and I'm gonna section out my hair just like right below the top of my ear, go all the way back, and I'm gonna clip it up messily, it doesn't matter. Okay, so here you're gonna have your bottom layers down, which is fine. I'm gonna turn around and show you. So see how I pulled the hair up in the clip? That's where you want the clip to go. So I'm just gonna take it, clip going up, and clip it in that hair going up that way, just like that. I know it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna feel really weird until you get the other clips in. And then I'm gonna section right above that, not too much further. Clip it up. This time I am going to take the 3 clipped, so a little thicker, to add a little more hair, a little more volume. You want to do the 2 first because the nape of your neck is skinnier than the wide base of your head. Gonna brush through that, unclip it, and do the same thing. This with the hair going this way. Okay, that's all I do for the back of my head. Okay, and then I'm gonna use another 2-piece clip for the front, like the beginning of my ponytail. So what I do now is I kind of make like a headband shape from like my ears all the way to the top. Get all this hair. This is gonna be the hair that kind of covers it. So you see how I made a line? You want to pull all that hair away, and we're going to clip this clip going towards the ponytail. Okay. Going towards the ponytail, the direction that the hair is pulled back. Snap it down and flip. No, my earring. Okay. Now I know I look crazy. Now the simple part is you just have a hair tie ready. I like to use the little bobble ones. These hold my hair up high in a ponytail really well. Even with hair extensions, my hair does not budge. I really recommend getting these. You can get them from Target or Ulta. Packs of 3. They're amazing. Come in all different colors. Next, I'm just going to gather all my hair. I usually have to flip my head. Gather all my hair, kind of brush it back, make sure all the clips are flat against my head. Adjust any if you need to. You can even take your brush and kind of brush gently over that top layer. That way your wefts are hidden. Okay. Then you're going to grab all that hair. Okay. And you're going to have it where you want your ponytail. Now I like mine really high just because feel like it lifts my face. And then I'm going to take my ponytail holder and wrap it around super tight. So it's a lot of hair there. Okay. Like I said, these are amazing. They hold really well. Voila. Okay. Then I kind of just pull this part, loosen this. I usually use like a mirror to make sure none of the wefts are peeking through, but usually they don't because they are that dark color. Wow, I'm out of breath. And then I just pull these side pieces out just to make it a little more, not messy, but you know, you can make it more messy by pulling pieces out. You can pull bangs out or little pieces here, but this is what I like. I kind of just pull it really tight. Then when you brush your ponytail, hold everything together. That way nothing moves. And then there. Super easy. You can see it blends really well. Since I put pieces in the front and in the back, it's kind of going to sandwich your natural hair together. That way it's more hidden throughout the ponytail. So yeah, this is only 3 hair clips in, and it's like a lot of hair, but it doesn't feel heavy. It's not weighing down my head. It feels great. It feels cute and glamorous, and I just feel, you know, more put together. But like I was saying, I've worn this all day. The ponytail stays all day. It's amazing. Definitely think it's also the hair tie that helps. The bobble hair tie. If you wanted to get a little fancy, you can take the little 1 clip weft and wrap it around your ponytail so it looks more like an Ariana Grande ponytail. But I don't usually do that just because I'm lazy and I don't got time for that. So yeah, here's the ponytail. Super cute. You can see you can't see any wefts. Even when you flip it up, you can't see any wefts. They're really flat to the head because of the way we positioned them. And yeah, super cute. I love it. This is definitely my lazy girl hair day. I do this all the time. Just saves me from washing my hair. I don't like to wash my hair too much because that's going to over dry my hair, and I'm trying to make it healthier and grow it, so I don't wash it all the time. So when I don't have time to wash it, or it's not ready for a wash and I still want to look cute and, you know, put together, I'll throw these bad boys in and call it a day. These were in euros. It's $95. But I live in the US. Got them super quick. I want to say in less than a week, international shipping. And I think the total came out to like $112 or something like that, which isn't bad for a full set of hair extensions. That is really human hair, amazing quality, and they work well for my thin hair. So if you're looking into buying clip-in hair extensions, I definitely suggest checking out FoxyLocks. Yeah, so like I said, if you're interested in seeing my other hair extension video, I will put the little thingy up here. Just click on it and go check it out. I go more in depth on the hair extensions itself. These are the same ones. These are just a different color. These are the ombre ones. The other ones I said are the sun-kissed highlights. So yeah, if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you want to see more beauty videos by me, then just subscribe. Thanks so much again for watching. I really appreciate it.